Hello, welcome back to the Workbench. I have got a old Indy car on the bench today, and I want to see about converting this to RC as well. I don't know how elaborate I'll get with it, but I do know it's going to work when I get done, or not. One of the two. But I already found some tires for it, which are really cool. I got these from Continental Hobby on the eBay, and what's cool is they leave a mark. So I should be able to make some 11s with this thing. First job for this, I think, is to clean it up. Try to get the rust off with our friends Evapo-Rust. And then I can take it apart and figure out what's going on with it. I don't know how far I'm going to take this. I don't know if I'm going to get it all nice and neat and repainted and all that. I might. We'll see what it looks like once we get it out of the Evapo-Rust. I do want to put it in the Evapo-Rust because I can't get to the little connectors here. They're rusted solid and I don't want to break them. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the Evapo-Rust. So reading the instructions of the Evapo-Rust, it says you got to clean this first. Probably a good idea. So I'll get this cleaned off. Then I'm going to put it in a gallon Ziploc bag and pour some Evapo-Rust in there and let it sit for a few hours. So let's get started. All right, all cleanish. I mean, it's as clean as I'm going to get. If I want to get it, the Evapo-Rust will clean it even more. It's either going to be great or it's going to make a mess. Probably both. Probably create a great mess. Well, if I learned anything from hand tool rescue is your thing must be completely submerged. And we are completely submerged. All right, I'm going to clean up this mess and hit the pause button on there so you don't have to sit and watch Evapo-Rust. Evapo-the-Rust. Here we are after Evapo-Rust. It did a pretty good job. You can see some of the chrome is back. We can see some of the detail here on this part. Just kind of nifty. Also have one of the gauges is still intact. I don't know if you can quite make that out. Let's see. Yeah, you can make that out a little bit. That's intact. Got my gloves on because it's still quite nasty. The tires didn't take well to the Evapo-Rust, but that's all right. We got new tires, so that's fine. So let's take this thing apart and see what we can figure out. I may find myself, I don't know what I'm going to find myself doing with this. It is not coming apart well. But we'll figure it out. I don't know what I would expected. Oh, look at that. It had a spring mechanism to go back. I thought it had one of those. Or no, this wasn't a spring. This was a flywheel method where you go shum shum. So you would get it up to speed and then let it go. Nice. Well, I'm not going to know if I can save this until... Yeah, I might be able to save this thing. It's pretty bad. You can see I've got holes right there. It's little thin parts. Don't know if I could save this or not. But we're going to look into it. Probably I'm going to have to build a whole new bottom. Cut those. Oh, I should be able to get that off just with the... Let's see. Alright, here are all the parts. I'll get some detailed photos of this to put at the end of this video. I got some thinking to do. I've got some drawing to do. I've got some sanding to do. I'm going to do a little sanding on this to see how thin the metal is. See if putting Bondo on it's going to make it stronger or what have you. I don't know. We're going to find out what to do with this great little car. I would love to turn this into RC. Let me know down in the comments what you think, how we should proceed. Thanks for watching and have fun and enjoy the detailed photos of this little car right now.